improvements made to my turntable setup part 2. A DJ mixer is an essential console used to control, monitor, and manipulate multiple audio signals, primarily used to make seamless transitions from one track to another. DJs also use mixers EQ to notch out issues on mic frequencies, reducing feedback. Also, like a musical instrument, to create unique experimental sounds. Things to consider before getting a DJ mixer. Number/types of inputs: phono, line, USB, mic input, number of channels, channel EQ, gain, low, mid, high, level meters, BPM counter, FX, sampler, sends, returns. Number/types of outputs: master, boot, rec, digital out. Stanton SMX301. 3 phono, 6 line, 1 mic input. Mic channel features 3-band EQ, gain and 3-band EQ on each channel. Kill switches for channels 1 and 3. Crossfader. Q section features PFL and Q pan to headphone outputs. Balance boot and master output 1/4. User replaceable faders and crossfader. Inputs and outputs used thus far. Stay tuned for more updates and equipment sharing.